Good morning, children. This is Shrivalsis speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter triangles and its properties, and we're here in this. In the previous video, we had a discussion on on some very important questions of this exercise. I explained about a question number one, and here in this video, I'm going to explain question number two and the remaining questions. So, children, let us have a discussion on question number two. So the question number two is about draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Okay, I have to draw a triangle. Name of the triangle is should be ABC, and the median should be BE. Let me draw a triangle first. Children, name of this triangle is suppose ABC. A, B, and C. Okay. So ABC. Achha, children, before I start explaining this question, I want you to instruct these questions or this chapter should be done on white copy in geometry copy. Lines should be drawn by using ruler and pencil. Okay. Please do not use pen to draw the figures. Figures must be drawn using pencil and ruler only. So here in this triangle, the triangle is ABC and name of the median is BE. Okay, children, this is BE and this is the median. Now question is, sir, what is median? A line segment what makes other line segment of a side of a triangle makes into or divides into two equal parts. So this one and this one, these two are equal parts. Okay, so BE is a median which is making AC into two equal parts, AE and EC. So this is the diagram for question number A. Now let's talk about question number B. Read the question, children. Question number B is about in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of a triangle. Okay. So children, a triangle, we know that in a triangle there are three altitudes, but triangle PQR in which PQ and PR both are altitudes. So diagram is to be drawn in a very sincerely. So if I draw a triangle which is a right angle triangle, okay, and I make P as 90 degree, this is Q and this is R. So we can say PQ is the altitude of this triangle because PQ is falling just absolutely 90 degree or vertically on PR. Yes or no? Angle P is 90 degree or PQ is forming 90 degree on PR. So we can say PQ is an altitude. PQ is an altitude. Okay. And here PR. PR is what? PR is another, it's another altitude. If we rotate the figure, this way, if you rotate the figure this way, then we can see clearly that PR is another altitude or forming a 90 degree falling vertically exactly on PQ. So PR is another altitude. Okay, children, this is the correct figure, right figure for the question number B. Now let us understand, let us talk about question number C. Question number C is about, we have to draw a triangle XYZ in which YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Okay, the altitude which is outside the figure. Okay, children, this is a very important and interesting question. So triangle XYZ will be looking like this. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Okay, and YL is the altitude which is exterior, outside the figure. So of course from Y I cannot draw altitude inside the figure. I have to draw it outside. I'm giving dotted lines as its imaginary lines. This is 90 degree, children. This is 90 degree falling exactly from Y. Okay, this is 90 degree. So we can say Y, if I mark this a point as L, So YL is an altitude exterior of the figure. Okay, children, this is how we have to deal with such kind of things. Now there is another question, the question number 3 of this exercise. Verify the following diagram, drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Of course, children, always keep in mind, suppose I am drawing one isosceles triangle in which these two sides are of equal measure. Any pair of two sides are equal measure is called isosceles triangle. So if I draw one altitude exactly forming 90 degree, that altitude is only the median of this triangle because it falls 90 degree exactly at the midpoint of this line segment or midpoint of this side. So this altitude is not only an altitude, it's a median as well in an isosceles triangle. So this same property can be applied for equilateral triangle as well. Okay, in equilateral triangle, children, what happens is we get exactly 90 degree as the altitude and the median. So this is how we have to deal with this kind of things. I hope it's clear to everyone. If no, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. We will surely have a discussion on these things once again. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.